Hey, what's up guys? Adam from Lazy Guy DIY, and you are panicking because you need some gift ideas for a woodworker and you only have a few days till Christmas. Well, you're in luck. Here's a couple ideas that you can still get off of Amazon, have it delivered in time for Christmas, or you can pick up at your local Woodcraft or Rockler. First up here, we have from Microjig. It is the Fit Finder. This thing is a useful little tool that actually adjusts. You can find the center thickness of something, whether you're doing resawing or you're trying to set up a router or table saw or something. Real easy stocking stuffer. That's from Microjig. Next up, these are the Pica pens. I love these on a job site. They sharpen, you can reload them, and they are a perfect addition that you can pick up and throw in a stocking, and they will love you for them. Next up, this is from Crescent Lufkin. This is just the tiny littlest level you've ever seen, but it's great if you're doing setups anywhere or if you have a tight space that you need to get absolutely level. Perfect for a woodworker or somebody that does install. Next up, you can get this from Starbond. It is CA glue. You've probably seen it before. I use it on a ton of projects, but it is the best little setup tool ever. You spray a little, you put a little glue out here, and you're ready to go. It's set solid. You can never have enough wood glue. I personally love Titebond 3 because you use it indoor and outdoor, but you can get a big jug of this and they will never run out. Or they might run out, you just have to get some more. Lastly, walrus oil. I use walrus oil on everything. This is furniture butter. You can also get furniture finish as well. You can get these sent to you very quickly, and they finish all your beautiful hardwood, so they will pop.